Okay, for the second activity, we can now split the different colors in different box or bag. And we are going to introduce negative and positive numbers for children. So in the first activity, we ask them to pair so that they get practiced with pairing up. And so now we are going to introduce negative and positive numbers. So I'm going to take red as negative and green as positive number. And for this activity, we will need dice with numbers and another dice with colors, whatever color I have here. So green and red. So to choose color, and we also need a sheet with kind of this box, squared sheet. So now we can get into the activity. The first person, the other team, this will work with two teams. So whoever plays first chooses the color by throwing the dice. So now it is red and the number is 2. Okay, red 2 and I am left with green. So I've got 1. So that is 1. So this now when we add negative 2 with positive 1, we'll first pair as we did in activity 1. First activity, we just pair different numbers, and this is negative and positive is 0, and we are left with negative 1. So similarly, to show it in writing and it makes as a practice for children, we ask them to also write it like this. So we've got negative 2 and positive 1. So here negative and positive is 0 and that's negative 2 and positive 1. So we are left with negative 1. We can use another example also for children and make sure that children write it. They might be able to also find the answer even before doing this, since they are all smaller numbers within 10, but in practice when they are familiar with this, they can also deal with the bigger numbers. So it is always recommended for children to write this down even if they find the answer beforehand. So, let's play another time. So I'm going to start now. So I choose the color. It is green, and for the number of coins I need to choose are 5. So I pick up 5. So that's positive 5 and negative 2. We are going to pair this negative and positive, and I'm left with positive 3. So similarly, as we write it here, that was negative 2 and positive 5. So when we pair positive and negative, we are left with positive 3. So that's negative 2 and positive 5. So we are left with positive 3. And here we are left with negative 1.